Okay, this is the Snap-on KR-562b toolbox tool cart with a chemical cabinet listed on eBay. I have quite a few watches on it, and I just wanted to show a video of the toolbox. This is the front, the drawers. The side drawers. I got one question about, how the drawers operate. I just wanted to show that the drawers, they slide in pretty good. Slide in and out. Here's the wheels with the shock absorbers. This cabinet, it rolls over cracks pretty easily. Like I said in the description, it does have a little bit of rust. That's where the cover was on the top. You can put a top on here and attach it. This is the chemical cabinet part of it. And like I said in the description, it will need new key locks. I don't have the key for it. I've actually taken that cylinder out. But for an old box, it's pretty good. And like in the description said, it does have a little bit of rust, because that's where the top was on it, and maybe some moisture got underneath it, but the box is still solid. Just to show you, it rolls easily. And like I said in the I have it listed locally. I will take trades on it if you have anything you want to trade for it. But yeah, that's it. It's a decent box. It's not the prettiest, but it'll get the job done. Thanks.